Dear children, we have seen so many types of tools were used, and all the tools were made up of stone, and they were used in Paleolithic age. So different tools we have seen in the previous video. Now we will see what new discovery was there in Paleolithic age. So the most important achievement of Paleolithic age was the discovery of fire. So first of all, see this mind map. It is very easy to understand. First, fire was discovered in Paleolithic age, and it was accidentally discovered. Nobody knows that how fire will be there after rubbing the stones, but it was accidentally created, and it was many evidences have been found in Chizovanja, Kenya, and Kurnool in India. Kurnool caves are there in India, in which some evidences have been found, that is ash or charcoal and many other things also in the caves, which give us clues that fire was discovered in Paleolithic age. And what were the uses? It provided warmth to the body. It was used to lit up the caves. It was used to cook the food. It was used to keep wild animals away. So these were the uses the early humans used fire for. Now we will read this same thing in the form of paragraph. So the most important feature of Paleolithic age was the discovery of fire. It was a turning point, that is very, very important point for humankind. We cannot imagine any type of cooking without fire. So it is a turning point for humankind. Though early humans may have seen natural fire, so where they have seen natural fire? Maybe in the jungles. So they were living in the jungles and they saw natural fire many times, but they did not know how to create it. They don't know what is this. The creation of fire was by chance. So it was created by chance. Nobody knows how fire can be done, or an accident. Archaeologists believe that fire was probably produced by rubbing two stones against each other. So archaeologists who study these facts, they believe that fire was probably, maybe, produced by rubbing two stones together. We have also seen sometimes, or if you want to see, then you can see, if you take two stones and you rub the stones, we can get some sparkle. So fire was accidentally created, and archaeologists believe that fire was probably produced by rubbing two stones against each other. Gradually, early humans learned how to use fire in a variety of ways, and then slowly, gradually means very slowly, gradually means very slow process. So gradually early humans learned how to use fire. Earlier, early humans were afraid of fire. They don't know the uses, but after some time they can understand the uses, and they used it in variety of ways. Fire had the following advantages. So these are the advantages the early humans used fire for. It could keep people warm and light up dark caves. So fire kept their bodies warm, and it was also used to light up the dark caves, because it was very dark inside the caves. So they can light up the caves. It helped humans to roast and cook food. So you can see here, they are lighting up the fire and doing something, or maybe cooking or something. So it helped humans to roast and cook food. It was used to scare away wild animals. So we all know that the animals are afraid of fire, and that time also they used that fire for scaring the animals. Maybe they have seen that if they are sitting near the fire, no wild animal is coming to them. So it was used to scare wild animals and help early humans in their battle for survival. Battle for survival means it was like a war with the animals, because they were living in the jungles, and all where in the jungles are wild animals. So it was like their battle for survival, and fire helped them a lot. Chizowanja in Kenya, East Africa, shows one of the earliest evidences of fire in the lower Paleolithic age. So archaeologists have found some evidences in Kenya also. It is in East Africa. In Kenya, Chizowanja in Kenya, East Africa, evidences of fire have been found in the lower Paleolithic age. So you can see all this topic, full topic is given on page number 13. And downside, one more topic is given, be a historian. This you can read it yourself on page number 13.